Clinica Dr. John Cruz is not only a clinic, it is a dream of one doctor, a young man who wanted to follow the footsteps of his generation in a totally different way. Today, 30 years later, Dr. John Cruz has accomplished his dreams and has helped countless patients in Aruba, applying his knowledge to save their lives and always considering every option, including natural medicine. Currently, he's the only doctor recognized by the healthcare system in Aruba as a conventional doctor and as a natural doctor, and he works closely with the law to make changes in medicine.
Clinica John Cruz, one of the most advanced clinics in complementary medicine. This is a tradition, it's a family tradition from generations that we are combining natural medicine, and now in the modern times we are combining the modern medicine with herbs, acupuncture, Chinese medicine, all kind of medicine we are offering here on the island, and the clinic has become a second opinion clinic in the Caribbean. So we see a lot of patients from Jamaica, Santo Domingo, even from Holland, even from Bonaire, St. Martin, Curacao, Venezuela, Colombia. A lot of patients are coming down to this clinic because we are recognized as a conventional clinic, but also we offer other kinds of medicine.
His patients and even his colleagues approach him for advice, and he has spread his words of wisdom through the media. This is Dr. John Cruz, a doctor who many call revolutionary, but actually he is a visionary doctor who believes in making changes in your lifestyle in order to impact your health. Clinica Dr. John Cruz was conceived to help the public, a clinic where everyone is treated as family, a clinic where you can receive different types of medicine services, including the famous body scans, infusions, natural advice, stress counseling, cupping, and much more.
Okay, hello guys, my name is John Cruz. Today I'm going to explain you ACE test, cyto test, on the meta microscope. ACE test, we can see different types of sickness. We can see inflammation, you have problem with the stomach, brain, lymphatic system. We can see amount of liquid in your blood, chemicals. Also, we use cyto. You can use it for allergies, you can use it for babies. Okay, we had a wide field microscope. You can see oxygen, heavy metals, and parasites. Okay, we had two different types of suero. We have chelation and we have regeneration. Regeneration is used to get all the vitamins in the body, and we had chelations to clean all the system.
This clinic offers you total care, focusing on healthy diets, lifestyles, and also essential supplements. This is why within the same family of Dr. John Cruz, his son, Inger Cruz, is also following the family tradition by making natural supplements with unique formulas here in Aruba.
My name is Inger Cruz. I am the son of Dr. John Cruz, and just like my father, I combine different types of medicine, natural medicine, in products, as in a laboratory that we call Life Factors Laboratory. The first laboratory in Aruba and one of the very few in the Caribbean to have such a sophisticated method to incorporate different types of natural medicine in one product. And we work in a very sophisticated lab, and we're very proud of this lab.
For over 30 years, Dr. John Cruz has been celebrating his doctorate, and it's his privilege to save lives. And that is what he does every day that passes by, treating every human being as part of his family, like the happy family that works every day at Clinica Dr. John Cruz to offer a better quality of life.
There's different types of diet that you can follow. One of them is alkaline diet, metabolic type diet, and blood type diet. All three are different, but they are important for you to follow. And nutrition in our daily life is very important, and that's 35%. Exercise is the other one that's important too, but that's only 15%. And the rest, which is 50%, that is detoxing. So detoxing in our daily life is very important, and you should do that every 3 months. Every other 3 months we do detoxing here. And how do you do that? It's very simple. You can use OxyPlus, Life Factors product, or vegetable juicing early in the morning. Just taking a glass of vegetable juice with barley grass and coconut oil is very, very good.